So let's talk about some other movers as well. And this one also is sort of a ripple effect mover, if you will, or duo of movers. We're talking about social media giant Meta as well as Snap. They are making moves this morning, rising. That's after the U.S. government said it was considering a ban of TikTok if the owners, ByteDance, refuse to sell their U.S. holdings. And, you know, TikTok has tried to address this. It said, first of all, that its ownership is not an issue, but it also said that it would try to sort of wall off the U.S. users' data. U.S. authorities do not seem to be satisfied by that. I mean, it feels a little bit like a throwback, more than a little bit. It feels like a throwback to the Trump administration, where they sort of made that arrangement with Oracle to buy the U.S. business, and then it was blocked by the courts. So it seems like ByteDance might sue on if the Biden administration does the same. There's still a lot to track here, but this could benefit, obviously, the likes of Snap if it happened.
Yeah, it could. And you think about the amount of screen time that TikTok has been able to overtake from a core consortium of users, and that being largely Gen Zers, even a lot of millennials as well, who have flocked over to TikTok. The amount of time spent on the app that has no doubt siphoned off some of the time, the screen time and the screen wars, if you will, from a Snap, from Meta platforms and their subsidiaries in Facebook and Instagram, even though some of that time was already starting to be generated towards other areas anyway. So if there was an outright ban of TikTok, how would that benefit for screen time, translating into advertising dollars as well at the end of the day, and even more so into some of the in-app purchases that take place. And that's where TikTok certainly has made its own name for itself, generating $205 million more than Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat and Twitter combined via in-app purchases revenue, that according to Apptopia data as well, who ran even more of a survey following Snapchat's offering of their own Snapchat Plus for $3.99 a month or whatever last year.
Yeah, well, we're going to have more on all of this later in the show to try and game out the potential scenarios here.